Hello friends, welcome to Pixel Design Arts, and today we are going to see the topic called how to go forward and backward for 1,000 times in a Photoshop. So here we go. Let's go. Control N I am taking for the new file, and yes, I got a new blank document right here. Okay, blank document. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take a Control Shift and new layer, and yes, I got a new layer. Now here I am taking a simple rectangle. See, I got a simple rectangle right here, and here I'm filling the color. Okay, color I filled. Now see, I'm applying the Control D for deselect. Okay, now here I'm taking the duplicate of it. Duplicate. Now you can see this is a one step, this is second step. So when I'm applying the Control Z, please observe Control Z. What will happen? This object is gone. Again Control Z, object is coming back. Okay. So here is the history panel. You can see whatever the actions we are performing, whatever the steps we are performing. Here it is noted. Move tool and deselect. That these are the steps. So I am talking about a Control Z. Control Z one step means a undo. Control Z one step means a redo. Undo, redo, undo, redo. Okay, that's good. But how we can go more than a one step? More than a one step. So here is it. Let's go to understand this. See, so there is a step backward and step forward. Okay, there is a step backward and step forward by which we can go default 20 times. Default 20 times. So let's see how to do this. See, here is a edit panel, and here is the number 2 and number 3 command, that is called the shift control Z step forward. Means by using this command shift control Z we can go 20 steps forward, and a step backward we can go all control Z. We can go with all control Z 20 step backward. So for example, now this is 1, this is 2. Now see, I am creating some more things like that. Number 3, number 4. Okay, just for example, number 5, number 6, and like that. So how I can go back to the original one? So here we go with this command, that is called as alt control Z step backward. So here we go, all control Z, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. I am applying the all control Z, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So default number is a 20. So default states are a 20, by which we can go the 20 steps back. So the question is how we can go maximum 1,000 times. Okay now. So how many steps we can go for? Now I came here with all control Z. See, I applied already all control Z. I came back to 0 steps. Now I am applying a shift control Z to come back to the return to the same position. So here I am applying the shift control Z. Here click shift control Z, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, and yes, this is the last step we have come. We have written here 14 number, but the number is a 20 is a max number. We can come for the max 20. Now more than 20, what is the maximum number we can go for? So answer is a 1,000. So what we can do for that? So let's go to understand this. So here, as I have written here, you can see what I have written. To go maximum 1,000 steps backward or forward, what is the setting is there? So setting is called Control K. Control K, we will go to preference panel. We have to select the performance option, and we have to select the 1,000 steps history. History states 1,000. So let's go. Yeah. Now see, 20 is done. Now I want to check the Control K. Control K. See, I am applying Control K. Here I got the performance. Okay, this is called a preference panel. Preference panel. Here I will go to performance option, clicked, and see, come to the history states. Actually I have already selected it as 1,000, but in your PC it will be default for a 20. 20 will be the default number. 20 will be the default number. So what you will do, click here and make it 1,000, and this is how. Okay, done. And this is how now whenever you are going more than a 20 times, you can go 1,000. More than a 20 times you can go for the 1,000 times. So let's check. I am taking again Control N with a new. Okay, so I got a new page here. Okay, Control Shift N new layer, and see, Here I'm taking the new rectangle, a small rectangle with a all drag alt backspace, and I got a black color. Control D, deselect. Now see, I'm applying this 1 time 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, number of times I am doing the process to check the how many steps we can go forward and backward. So here it is. See, okay, so I'm doing the same thing for the number of times. So can we go for the 1,000 times? Yes, we can go for sure. And this is how we can go. See, simply I'm doing the same steps, that all drag, all drag, all drag for the number of times, and how many steps we have done. See, now I am checking here. Okay, so here you can see on the layer 1 copy 23 means we have done a 23 times this, more than a 20. So let's check this where step backward can be used here or not. So I am applying the all control Z for the 23 times. See, all control Z 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24, and see how many steps we can go. More than 1,000. Okay, means more than a 20, so maximum 1,000. So again I can come back to the same position with a shift control Z. See, here I am applying the shift control Z, and here see how many steps we can come back, return to the same position. Yes, this is what the same position we have come. Okay, so last step we have come across here, layer 1 copy 23, and this is how we can work with the history states 1,000, means the maximum number we can go for the 1,000 times, default number we can go for the 20 times, and the shortcut is a shift control Z and all control Z. I hope you understand this video in a better manner, and you can go for the 1,000 steps forward and backward. So this is how our thumbnail is justifying all these things. I hope you understand this in a better manner. Well, if you understand this, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new viewers, and if you are the old viewers, then of course please do comment, like and share video whoever it needs. Okay, thank you very much, thank you for watching it, and see you in the next video. Good day, bye.